Today I wanted to take a minute and talk about aftermarket body panels. Normally when you do restoration work, quarter panels, door skins, stuff like this are pretty common that they need to be replaced. The aftermarket has come up with a lot of nice parts, but the common problem that a lot of shops run into on a daily basis is the variations of the aftermarket products are close but never exact to what the original parts were. We end up on almost every aftermarket panel we hang, to get the gaps correct, it takes hours of finesse, modification, and just a lot of trial fitting. A lot of shops that are reputable get a bad rap that they're really expensive for what it takes to put these panels on. The thing is, you're paying for the quality, you're paying for the craftsmanship. Right now we have a Mustang in here that we're working on. And just as a prime example, there's two panels laying side by side from the same manufacturer that neither one fit even close to what they should. This panel versus this panel laying side by side, one panel is a 1/4 inch longer than the other. The aftermarket people need to step up a little bit on what they're doing with these panels. How are you supposed to restore a car with two panels that are from the same manufacturer and you put them on the car and it makes the car lopsided? I just want to kind of point out that a lot of people don't understand the time that it takes to do a quality restoration or quality build. This is the kind of stuff that the builders are up against constantly. This particular quarter panel measured 62 1/8 inch from this side, from this point to that point that's marked. This side, 62 3/8 inches. We got to make that up somewhere. We have to trim this panel now to make it fit the car properly, or else we're going to have a lopsided car, lopsided gaps. This quarter panel on this side fit pretty well. This panel, we've run into all kinds of problems. Again, same manufacturer made the inner and outer wheel houses that weren't even close to hitting the same line around the wheel well. But this panel versus this panel, there was a difference in length from anywhere that you measured on this, over a 1/4 inch difference at the bottom, that we had to actually straighten the metal back out and rebend this line. I guess the purpose of my video today is just to bring awareness to people that are having work done. If you go to a quality shop and you're paying a lot of money to have these fit, it's well-earned money for the shops, because this stuff doesn't just fit. It takes a lot of time, a lot of trial fit, a lot of taking it on, taking it off. But if you go to a quality shop and you pay decent money to have this stuff done, I just want you to understand it's money well spent. If you go to a cheaper shop and they overlook these things, you're going to end up with a car that doesn't have gaps that are proper. You're going to end up with things that are looking lopsided and everything else. But that's just my rant for today. Just getting a little frustrated. We've had so many of these in a row where the parts just aren't to the quality that they should be for the money they're charging.